This is the MRT here in One Ayala. You can use the beep card in PGC bus and MRT as well. MRT Ayala Avenue. We took an MRT from One Ayala and we're going to Pasay Station.
Next stop, Tata Station last.
Exit. So on our way to Pasay. So after taking an MRT, we are going to take an EDSA Carousel bus. EDSA Bus Carousel. It's a new way of transport system here in Philippines. EDSA Aircon. Come to the Art Museum of the Philippines. Just gonna tour you around here. Very nice. Just do not touch the artworks. Maria Clara, Filipino traditional attires. Filipinos mano po, way of respect. It's lovely. Yung mga Filipino artists here. The works of Filipino artists should be showcased here in a Museum of Arts. It's here in the Financial Building, GSIS. As that was during the pandemic. I'm sure my uncle will enjoy it here because he's an artist. Ito itik. Very nice flooring. Filipinos are very talented when it comes to arts as well. You can take a video and photos, just don't touch the artworks. It's lovely. It's very new. Hamon sa Kapayapaan, Vittorio Pantig. That's a big paint artwork na. This is Philippine Eagle. There are some more artworks downstairs, so just gonna go down. I like the wooden flooring, parquet, is it? Anyway, this is the Mayan volcano. Restoration of mural paintings. Ooh, that's okay.
Matigas daw kasi yung papel. Yung pag-ikot ng alam.
Pwedeng i-play? Pwede ba? look at me and babe, I wanna keep back. Spirit in my soul, like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find a way, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. Tama? When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Next. Ang galing. So when I'm all alone and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Thank you, piano. I enjoyed it. Museum of Arts. It's free to enter, so you'll enjoy it. Ang ganda na. Try ko ito ngayon yung ice cream na binibenta dito sa kalsada. Kasi matagal na akong hindi nakakatikim nito. Yan, mga ice cream ko. Street vendor. Masisipag na mga Pinoy. Yan si Kuya. Sarap sanang ice cream ni Kuya. Masarap ba yan, Kuya? Sigurado akong malamig yan, ha? Ano ba to?
Ito na yung anak na, National Museum.
Ay, National
Pwede na tayo
Museum.
pumunta din mamaya.
Libre din dyan?
Saka, doon pa yung isa sa'yo. Mamaya, ito po,
Si Manong mag-ice cream na masipag. Traditional mode of transportation in Philippines. Kalesa with horse and a jeepney.
Ang galing mo. Main transition siya.
Oh.
Alesa to jeepney to bike na. Galing. Thanks sa'yo.
Ito di foot spa, pedicure, manicure. Doing the facial na cleansing. Ang magawa dito sa Robinson, so pang facial na lang.
Pa-facial na lang, magpa-cleaning na lang muna ng
Naoperahan ako ah.
Alis di ka, dugit ko na, ka naman daw eh.
Ay, mandawi.
Sa aking gasto. Itintak na sila lahat, ikaw ka mag-Bisaya.
Facial din si Anna din. After her, we have the foot spa and a manicure, pedicure, and she's having a facial as well. Very nice.
Maganda nga siya, kahit lagyan mo lang siya ng cream.
really nice feeling. I haven't had it for a year or two probably. So this is Salon de Bay in
Salon de Bay.
yeah. Ito to sa tapat lang ng Robinsons, Ermita. Sarap feeling. Pati na ng kamay. Mga friends, punta na kayo dito sa Cecil is the specialist one. So siya ang hanapin nyo kapag nagpunta kayo dito. 2 different services here. They do manicure, pedicure, foot spa, hair treatment, facial treatment, body massage. Prices vary, so it depends on what you like, what service you like.
Panglasnan. Kasi pag pumunta ka, ano te?
Mga good, very good stuff here. Salon de Bay. Magkikilay pa siya. Hello to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog.
Punta kayo dito sa Salon de Bay.
Good service, friendly staff.
Service naman dito, we have a patient.
Yep.
We have hair, ribbon, Brazilian, and we have the nails, foot spa, and then nail extension. What's nail extension? Wax.
On a bus going to from Heritage Baclaran to One Ayala, and then we're gonna take a BGC bus from there.